Hello, boys and girls. Just a quick update this morning on anything I'm looking into. Let's dive in really fast. A couple earnings came in yesterday after hours of a couple things I'm looking into. Namely, first of all, Cornweave, which unfortunately disappointed in its earnings. And what what you got to do about that? Sales weren't up to snuff, and earnings weren't enough for what's his name for the market. So it is currently down. It's what's its name? It's about 3 o'clock in the morning in New York, and it is down a whole 16 and a half points. Yikes. So more than what is that, 10, 12%? More than 10% off the top of my head. But, yeah, it's gonna be a nasty day, but this doesn't mean that the other side of the trade, so if we sell a it did down that fast. These are old numbers, obviously, and will change by the time this opens up, but yeah, again, this is not financial advice, so don't listen to me, follow your own ways. If we sell something around the 125 range to 120 range, we should get a little bit of theta back. And then, of course, these contracts die on Friday. So should be a bit of money, but let's see how that opens up. We're already at 130, what is it, 132.20. So what is that, 12 points under that even? Should be a bit of a return on that. And the other one I was looking at was RGTI. RGTI also had earnings yesterday. Now, RGTI, it's a really small company. So, but there's plenty of volatility in it. Last quarter, it actually pulled a profit. And this quarter, unfortunately, it did not. So it earned negative 13 cents per share. But if I go back to the 1 year chart, we can see the last quarter, it did earn a very small profit. I think this was, they disappointed in sales, and they had like a negative number of, I think it was $1 million or something like that. Sales miss estimates of 1.883 million. So I think Wall Street consensus was that they were going to have a loss of like 5 cents or 6 cents or something like this. Didn't happen. But oh well. The stock is down. What is this? About 70 cents. So it's down about 6% now at 3 o'clock in the morning. You can do what you want with this until Friday. I think most of the volatility here is gone as so far as this goes. Maybe 10, $20 to be made here somewhere around the 1450 range. So around here, 1450 to 15, if you want to kind of hold out for that. I would see how it opens in the AM, especially after 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock. And yeah, it's the two things I'm looking at as so far as what I am involved in. Let's see. Weeble is sitting pretty. It's actually up 10 cents. And like I said, I'm into a 14 uh cash secured put. So this is looking pretty nice. It should, yeah, be able to either close that out today or maybe tomorrow and get some scratch for that. this BBAI is, do this again, is sitting steady. So I sold a cash secured puts yesterday for $5, and the stock went skywards back to the $6 range, around the $6 range. So I am looking nice. I also have 100 shares of BBAI, which before earnings, I sold a covered call for 17. No, sorry, it was 27.28 cents. I can't remember off the top of my head. And that is going to obviously expire worthless, barring some sort of radical miracle that is going to happen. I'm already almost at break even. I think my break even, from what I remember, was $6.13 after all my premiums. So this is wonderful. And my last one is here, and it is ARM Holdings. And this is also looking kind of good. I did make a mistake. I said yesterday I was into the covered call at 144. I'm not into the covered call at 144. I'm into the covered call at 145. So my position is a little bit better than it was. We are pulling into Wednesday, and it is looking like it is going to maybe expire worthless. What is the probability? I love Thinkorswim here. Let me just go to the probability for 145 expiring worthless. It's better than half. So I'll take it. Let's see what happens. And even if it does hit the strike price, then, at least I collected whatever I sold it for, the 90 something cents, 98 cents, and whatever the profit on it would be. So I'm down in the, I think it was 141 or somewhere around 142. So a couple $100. Not bad. Unfortunately, I won't be putting on any other positions today, and probably not until next Monday. Barring something else. Or if this goes really low on Friday, maybe I'll buy it back for a penny or two and see where I can go for a week out. I like to focus in on doing things like 1 week to 2 weeks in advance and just seeing how the market kind of flows. Right now, with the whole tariff mess that's going on and the geopolitics of the world, I don't like to be into stocks for more than couple couple weeks maximum. It's just I start biting my nails and looking at things and trying to crunch the numbers and saying, pulling my hair out. I'm already bald enough. It's not a good look for me. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe. Don't follow my advice. It's it's my advice, and it's yeah, it is what it is. I thank you guys for joining me, and drop a comment also down below. Peace. Thanks a lot.